Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our SuccessFactors employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your SuccessFactors employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for SuccessFactors employee login. After searching for SuccessFactors employee login, now you just have to scroll down, and here you can find this option which says employee login SAP SuccessFactors. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that option, now what you have to do is just enter your company ID. So after entering your company ID, you have to enter your password. So after entering your company ID, you have to enter your password, and after entering your password, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your SuccessFactors employee account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your SuccessFactors employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.